Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's go make instant rabdi with milk and one secret ingredient. Watch till the end. So you have seen I have added 1/4 cup of water and 6 cups of full fat milk to make the rabdi. And while the milk is boiling, I have added some strands of saffron in it. As you can see, it's oozing out its color and flavor. So just keep stirring every 10 seconds so that it doesn't burn or stick to the pan at the bottom. Adding some kesari milk masala to the milk just for the flavor. If you do not have that, you can add pistachios and some dry fruits with cardamom powder and saffron. Alright, so it's time to add sweetened condensed milk to get the milk thick and sweet. Alright, so it's almost done. I have added some chopped peeled almonds and some nutmeg powder and some cardamom powder. I have added 3 drops of queried essence. If you do not have, you can totally skip it, or you can also add rose essence or rose water. Alright, so to instantly thicken our rabdi, I have 3 slices of bread. This is white bread. I have removed the sides of it, all 4 sides, and cut it in small pieces. Going to grind it and make a powder. Here you go. This is the bread powder. Just add a couple tablespoons, or depends on your how thick you want this. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons and see the consistency. Keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour and enjoy while it's chilled. Here you go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye for now.